Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue working on the Tamiya XV-02 chassis kit. And we're getting very close to the end. Today we're going to be working on steps 48 and 49, which are the wheels. And I want to show you how to glue the wheels, but unfortunately, these are not the wheels that I'm going to use at the very end. As you know, this is a chassis kit. It doesn't come with a body. So the body that I have chosen comes with different wheels and tires. So I'm going to save the tires for the wheels that I'm going to buy, and then maybe just keep these for another car or sell them on eBay or something. All right, so but I'm going to show you anyway how to assemble them. We're also going to need tires. And just a quick check to see if there's a front or back. Doesn't look like it. Okay, we're also going to need these foams. So like I said, I'm not going to glue them. I'm just going to assemble them. And if you're looking for a gluing video, I have some videos where I do glue the tires. I'll try to leave a link below. So we're going to start with the foam. And we are going to roll it up. Pretty much just roll it up as okay, so there's one. And now we're going to slip the tire on. Okay, and when you're done, just make sure the seam here is completely smooth. And this is where you would peel the lip back and then put the glue inside the bead right there, and then just hold it back and then hold it together and let it dry. Like I said, I'm not going to do that, but I will assemble the rest of the tires. Okay, and now we're done. Let's pretend these are glued. Let's bring in the chassis. I believe this is the rear of the car. And so we're going to need that ring, the bearing, a pin, and A10, and that nut. So let's find, I'm sure it's going to be these ones right here. Okay, A2 also. Let's see, A2 are going to probably be these right here. Anything else? A2. We're going to need the bearings and the pins. So we're going to put this ring in there. And then the bearing goes all the way in. Okay. Then we're going to pull the axle out so it exposes that hole right there. We need to be able to see that hole completely. Okay, and then now we're going to put this wheel nut on with the pin going in first, and then the pin will rest in there. That's in there far enough, I think. And then going to put the wheel on like nothing wants to fit. And these blue nuts. And you can use any tool. You can use this to tighten it. I'm going to use this. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, let's take a look at this right here real quick. I don't know if you can see this. So this is a chassis kit. It doesn't come with a body, obviously. So if you bought a body that was a little bit wider in the back, or you just want the car to have a wider stance, then you would add, over here it says you can add a 11 onto each of the wheels, or just the back two wheels, whatever you want. However, if you really needed a wider stance, or to fit your body, I would just buy the aluminum nuts that are the thickness that you're looking for. They make wheel nuts like this in aluminum of all different thicknesses or offsets. So that's what I would do instead. I'm just building the kit as it is to show you. Oh, before we do that, we have to build this right here. Let's see, A16, 15, and 17. So 14. So basically everything, all of these four. And let's make my life easier. So the even numbers, let's do the one on the right first, 14 and 16. So, and this is for the stabilizer kit. These will hold on to the stabilizers if you decide to buy them. I will probably try to find them because I love sway bars. So this end with the notch faces up, and this will line up with it like that. And we need to find the right screw. MB214 is pretty long. And it's going to go on the outside hole, the bigger one, like this. And we're going to put it through there. Oh, this is the front. I'm sorry, this is the front. So let me back up a little bit. But it's the same. It's the same. It's the same right here. Phew. It's not doing anything at the moment. So let's grab these two, 15 and 17. Go ahead and repeat for the front. It's going to be exactly the same. Alrighty then. We are done. Now it has wheels. It's awesome. So today we did steps 48 and 49. We didn't glue the tires, so make sure you guys glue the tires. And then we mounted the wheels onto the chassis, and we put the stabilizer bar, sway bar holders onto the chassis. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to be working on the body post and then also the chassis cover. So that's going to be fun. We're going to cut some Lexan. So if you got anything out of this video, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.